Why are you sorry? Okay. So why are you sorry? Oh, see, I don't create an expectation. What's that? It's 100% distracting. Thank you very much. But the whole... Oh, you're going to get the women mad at you doing it. First, you have to find out what their pronoun is. No, hold on a second. So ready? Look, that's a distraction. It's a pattern interrupt. I do not create expectations that phones are going to be quiet. I don't create expectations that you're not going to look at your phone. I don't create any expectations, so I never get upset. If somebody yawns, anybody ever, like, if you yawn here and I look at you, please don't do yawning is oxygen to your body. Have you heard that? How many people breathe in deeply all the time? How many people just are shallow breathers and your body's like, I'm begging you for air, and get some water while you're at it, okay? Right? And then you yawn because your body needs oxygen, and then if I catch you yawning, you'll, instead of like that, you'll go like, oh. And try to like go against nature and not breathe, as opposed to if I catch you yawning, then just breathe like that. Does that make sense? Yeah. Nicely done, sir.